Hey, this is another Power coming to you live. I am at the MLSP event. Just got here, about to get ready for our training. Just want to show you exactly how it looks. It's kind of hot in here, guys. MLSP, very upscale. Got the boards going on. All right. Just want to give you all a sneak peek to let you know what you missed. Next time, get here, okay? If you got to catch the bus, just catch the bus early. You got to do what you got to do in network marketing, or rather internet marketing, in order to be successful. So with all that said, peace. Bye.